Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering global interpreter lock in Python programming. Guys, I have uploaded a complete Python programming subject tutorials. I will provide link in description, you can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. A global interpreter lock is a mechanism to apply a global lock on an interpreter. The name itself says global interpreter lock. It is nothing but we are applying global lock on Python interpreter. But what is use of applying global lock on Python interpreter? Global interpreter lock is used in computer language interpreters in order to synchronize and manage the execution of threads, so that only one thread can execute at a time. By using global interpreter lock, we can manage execution of threads. That is nothing but we can execute only one thread at a time. I'll give one example so that you can clearly understand what is use of this global interpreter lock. Let us consider this example. This is Python code. This Python code contains three functions. They are function, function1 and function2. You need to know what is meaning of process. Process is nothing but Python code which is under execution is known as process. This is Python code. Now I am going to execute this code. So we call this code as process. Process contains thread and this thread is used to execute statements. For example, this function is executed by thread 1 and this function is executed by thread 2 and this function is executed by thread 3. Normally, Python contains global interpreter lock, and this global interpreter lock is used to manage execution of threads. That is nothing but by using global interpreter lock, we can execute only one thread at a time. Whenever I call function, function1 and function2, at first it will execute thread 1. Whenever it executes thread 1, Python interpreter will apply global lock on thread 2 and thread 3, and similarly, after executing thread 1, it will execute thread 2. And whenever it executes thread 2, Python interpreter will apply global lock on thread 1 and thread 3, and similarly at last it will execute thread 3. Whenever it executes thread 3, Python interpreter will apply global lock on thread 1 and thread 2. Whenever we pass 3 threads at a time, global interpreter lock will execute only one thread at a time. So at first it will execute thread 1, after that thread 2 and at last thread 3. This is another diagram. T1 stands for thread 1, T2 stands for thread 2 and T3 stands for thread 3. Whenever we execute T1, Python interpreter will apply global lock on T2 and T3. So I am representing T2 and T3 with dash line. Similarly, whenever it executes T2, Python interpreter will apply global lock on T1 and T3. So I am representing T1 and T3 with dash line. And similarly, whenever it executes T3, Python interpreter will apply global lock on T1 and T2. What if there is no global interpreter lock in Python? If there is no global interpreter lock in Python, then all these three threads will be executed at a time. All these three threads will occupy same memory. In a scenario where you have multiple threads, what can happen is that both the threads might try to acquire the memory at the same time. If you have multiple threads, all these threads will occupy memory at the same time. As a result of which they would overwrite the data in the memory. So it will overwrite the data in the memory. Hence, there is need to have a mechanism to prevent this phenomenon. That is nothing but we need global interpreter lock in order to prevent this. Guys, this is known as serial execution. And if we execute all these threads at a time, we call it as parallel execution. So global interpreter lock will avoid parallel execution and it will strictly follow serial execution. These are uses of global interpreter lock. Global interpreter lock limits the threading operations and parallel execution is restricted. Global interpreter lock will execute threads serially, not parallelly. The GIL ensures that only one thread runs in the interpreter at once. Global interpreter lock will execute only one thread at a time and it is also used for memory management. These are uses of global interpreter lock. Generally, Python uses only one thread to execute set of statements. This means that in Python only one thread will be executed at a time. Normally, Python uses only one thread in order to execute set of statements. The performance of single-threaded process and the multi-threaded process will be same in Python. Though if you use only single thread or multiple threads, Python will execute only one thread at a time. So performance will be same for single-threaded process and multi-threaded process because of global interpreter lock in Python. We cannot achieve multi-threading in Python because we have global interpreter lock, which restricts the threads and works as single thread. Multi-threading is nothing but in Python, we cannot execute multiple threads at a time because Python contains global interpreter lock.